Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your Google Drive. So the Google Drive comes free with your Google account, which is also free. And what you're first going to want to do to go there is you're going to click on these 9 dots, and this is Google Apps, and you're going to click on the Google Drive. It's kind of like a triangle shape. So yeah, click on that, so Drive. And I've already recorded this tutorial, but my microphone was off, so I have all the documents here ready, but I'm just gonna delete that because I don't need that. Okay, so it's gonna give you this message here. Google Drive lets you access your stuff on every computer and mobile device. So what they're trying to say is, when you download the Google Drive app on your mobile device, which I'll show you how to do in another video, you'll be able to access the same documents there that you will on your computer. This is called the cloud. So the cloud stores all of your documents and information on Google Drive, and on any device that you log into with your Google account, which is, with this, which I showed you how to create in another video, that will be there on any device. So yeah, that's pretty much Google Drive. That's one of the major benefits for Google Drive. So the first thing I want to do is click on the big blue new button. And you can first create a folder. So you can click on Documents. And then you can change the color. Red. It can be blue. And you might have seen I accidentally started it. So when you start it, which is right click, add star, is going to appear in the starred part of your Google Drive, which is right here. So I'm going to just open it up. I'm going to unstart it for now. I'm going to click on it, and you can create a document. So I'm going to create a Google Docs document, which is like the equivalent of, it's just a Word document. So you can, change the font. So usually for titles, I'd recommend 24. You can change the color, red, and you can type, my first Google document. And you can underline it, so underline, italicize, bold. I usually don't do anything. You can change it, you can change it to blue, or any color here. You can also do custom colors. So this green looks kind of nice actually. So you can highlight the text. So you can highlight yellow. Maybe highlight yellow and then change the text color to blue. Maybe nice contrast. And you can also change where it aligns. So left align is usually for regular text. So you want to probably make it either 12 or 14 font. And usually probably black. And you can remove the highlight by clicking the none button. And you can just, I have to do that again. None, text, black, okay. And 14. And you can type in whatever. And you can also change the font. So if I want this to be, say, permanent marker, I want this to be Courier New. And I can also get so many fonts here you can use. This one, you can change, like, within the words, you can actually change it. So that looks kind of weird. You can also get even more. So it clicks down here, it says more fonts. And you can, sort them, and you can add them. So say, let's look for one that's nice. Oh, Oxygen looks nice. Okay. And it's changed it to Oxygen. And if we change it back to, say, another font, Oxygen will now be part of our library of fonts. So there it is. So it actually looks kind of nice. You might want to make this a bit different. Let's do that one. There we go. That looks nice, actually. And same here. So that. And then the rest of them can be just regular. For all the documents in the world. I don't know what I'm typing. And then you can also make a list. So click on that, and you can say hi, bye. And you can, if you want to get out of the list, or to add another bullet point, you click enter. And then if you want to get out, you just click enter again. And then to add numbered list, same concept, and enter to leave. And then you can, if you say make a mistake, so say, oh no, I deleted everything, you can click the little undo button, and then you can change the name of it. So my first Google document. I'm just gonna do that. I don't know why I want to do that. Now I'll change it back. There you go. You can do a spelling check. So let's make this. It's gonna get mad at us after a while. Okay, well, anyway, if you like say spell document, it might get mad at you. I don't know why this is not getting mad at me for doing this. Oh, there we go. So now it's gonna bring up this little error. So you can either click on it and then right click, and you can change it, always correct, or just correct it this time, or you can add it to your personal dictionary. If you do that, it's not gonna bug you anymore. Time it. I don't know if that's a word, but anyway, apparently it is. If you want to do a bunch of times, so say I have like loads of errors, you can come up to tools, click on spelling, and you can change it. So say change that, change that, change that, and then you have, at least what Google thinks is real words, but even though it's not, but usually it's a lot better. And a good thing it does is when you type something new, so you say save this. If you look up there, it says saving, and it says all changes saved in drive. So it saves every few seconds, and so that means you don't have to worry about saving the document because it automatically saves, and you can just X out of it, and it's still there. And you can also share the document with this blue button right here. Click on share, into email address, and you can see if they can edit, comment, or view. I don't know, say hi, send it. And you can go in different modes, so suggestion mode. Then everything you do becomes a suggestion. And when you come back to editing mode, it's going to say add that. You can either accept, or on the side that just say reject. You can accept it, say. And you can also comment on your document. So if you want to say comment here and say add a comment, say good title, and then somebody else maybe say reply, say thank you. And then once you're like, okay, we've settled this, you just click on resolve and it'll go away. But if you click on comments, it's still going to be there. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know for Google Doc. So next thing is Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is pretty useful. Again, you can share, comment, all that same stuff. You can add a graph. So if you say you want to do 5, and then you can format as currency, so $5, $10, and you say $50, $20. Oh, not sorry, $20. Okay. And then you can say highlight that. Oh, I don't know what I did there. There we go. So you can highlight it, and then you can click on functions and sum. So you get the sum 85. Or you can also get the average. Or you can also graph it. So you can click on the little insert chart button. I'll give you some suggestions on what graphs to use. This is not ideal for using, but just going to give you some sort of graph. And you can add, delete it. Of course, change font, change size, bold, italic. You can do strike through, so you say like profit, say, and then you say normal profit, so you can strike through. So, no. You can add little borders. See that? You can add that, and you can do like mass bordering. Highlight all this, add border to all that. So it's a nice little table. And you know, you can move the decimal place. You can do the same aligning, commenting, you know, stuff like that. You can link to a website. So with this button here, you can say google.com. Searching. There it is. So Google apply. So when someone comes in, they can click on it and say, okay, let's go to Google. And you can also change the title, whatever you want. And yeah, that's Sheets. And then there's Slides. So Slides, you can change the theme. So I like this theme. I'm gonna say, okay, my first presentation by Simplech. Yeah. And you can add slides with the little plus button. So this one has a different format for the other slides. It's like slide 1. And say just add information here. And if you click the little arrow down next to the plus, you can change. So this is a title and body slide, and you can do like blank, big number, main point. So if you wanted to do blank, you have to remember that if you wanted to type something, you need to click on the text box, and that's the only way you can get words. And you can, you know, change the color and everything like that, just like Google Docs. And you can also do well, you want to change the title first. So my first presentation. And if you want to change the transitions, click right here. And you can do like flip, or you can also do you know, gallery or cube. I think it's kind of nice. You can either apply it to all of the slides, or you can do one for each slide. So you highlight this slide, you can change this to like fade, and you change this to like, you know, no transition. And you can also animate things. So if you want to highlight this, go to insert. Actually, it's already sensed it. Never mind. So if you click on the transition and you highlight it, then you can click on object to animate. So you can make it, you know, fly in from the top, and then this will fade in. Make it do like after previous, and then this can be you know, you can just play around with it. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Up here, and this, yeah, something like that. And I'll show you what all this does. So you're gonna go back to the first slide, click on this present button, and then it starts off, and you're gonna click. It's flown in, I think is the right word. I don't know, flown in. It's coming. And then click again. It's gonna go to the next slide. You can use like a laser pointer. Use your mouse. So like right here is the important stuff. Right here is the important stuff. And I clicked, and slide 1 appeared. And I can come back and remove that laser because it's a bit annoying after a while. And then you click again, and there's my third slide. And I didn't actually show you the transitions, so if you look at that fade, and then that has no transition. And then also in the beginning, okay, sorry about that, my recording just cut off, but anyway, I just showed you the transitions and stuff, and then after that, that's pretty much all you have to know for Google Slides. So you're gonna go and X out of that, and then you can also share the entire document. I'm sorry, the entire folder. Click share and share it. Again, you can either have them view or organize, add, and edit, which is slightly different, but pretty much the same as edit in the Google Docs. You can send it, and now it has that little person in it which tells you that the document is shared. So now you can also there's also more apps you can connect. So the main ones are here. Google Forms and Google Drawings are usually the ones you would use most. I'll just show you Google Drawings for today. Again, you can use a text box to type in whatever. And then you can insert shapes. There's a bunch of shapes here. You can insert smiley face. You can insert, they have call out equations, arrows. Kind of cool stuff you can make with this. You can, of course, you can change the color, so make sure gradient, you can make it black. Kind of a black gradient, like this. Or like this would be nice, yeah. And then you can make the outline, a blue. If you want to make the outline thicker, you can add a like 8 pixel weight. That's really thick, but maybe 4. And then you can, line weight, make it dash, so it can be like that. See, it's like dotted, or it can be like just like dashed. And yeah, that's a Google Drawings. You can draw lines. You can like connect that. There you go. And then, well, that actually kind of looks kind of cool actually. You can share, comment, same. And then, if you want to add something to a folder, to a folder, you just drag and drop it. Okay. You can also add other extra apps. So there's, lots of good apps to add. And yeah, that's Google Drive. So I hope you enjoyed, found it helpful. Please comment down below what you want me to show you in the next video. And if you want to subscribe, there will be a Simplech logo that you can click on to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.